In this guide, I'll show you how to put a YouTube video into a Canva design using your mobile phone. So with your design open, you want to come across this bottom menu and scroll across until you find the button for apps and press on that. Next, we're going to use the search bar at the top and simply type in YouTube. And then press the first one with the YouTube logo. After that, come down and press where it says open. And then from in here, you need to search for the video that you want to add. So the best way to do it is by either typing in the video title or the channel name, which is what we will do. Type it in and then press go. And then search for the video and press it. And then press add to design. And you'll see that the YouTube video is now inserted into your Canva design. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.